Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's go into introduction without any wasting the time. Let's go into the model 1. Demonstrate with example print and input, and this is more important question guys. Follow the program and generate a Fibonacci sequence, this is also more important. After that, explain the list, wild break, this also more important question guys. Explain the local and global scope, this also more important. What is the list? If you read this model 1, I can definitely tell you, you can go into get 14 plus or 14 marks, you can pakka. You can show you, it may occur on program also is there in that 20 marks you can get if the paper comes easy, okay. Let's go into the model 1. Explain the not operators, list, and what is the list? Explain concept of list and index slicing and insert, remove, indirect, okay. Okay, after that, in this 3 question in model 2, you can get 1 question, I can definitely with your pakka 1 question, okay. Explain the negative index and slicing index, open, remove, because after that, this one, and write a program of except in numbers, odd numbers, don't read guys, if you want to pass, don't read that. Okay, if you want to get out of order, you read that. Explain negative index slicing, this also more important question, you just read, please, this one, okay. After that, explain the following methods, after the example, keys, values, inserts, this also more important question guys. After that, you read the read in numbers of from the concepts and create a list development program, print mean varied, this also more important question guys. After that, let's go into the model 3. In model 3, let's explain how to save variable with the shell model, this also more important question guys. With the example, explain the any 5 strings method, is alpha, is number, this also more important questions, is after that 4 methods of suitable examples, okay. Upper, lower, is lower, this also more important questions. In this 3 questions, you can accept the 1 question, fix questions, you guys, okay. Sorry, in this 2 questions, you can accept the 1 questions. Explain save variable with the shell model, after that 5 strings, in after that part B, explain the methods of suitable example, upper, lower. After that, write a code output, okay, hello upper is upper lower, this also more important question. After that, illustrate the example of opening open function and read concept of read, this also more important question guys. After that, explain about the model wiki markups, this also more important questions, you just read, if you want to get out of order, you read everything in model 3, if you want just pass, you just read starting 4 questions, it's enough for to pass, okay. Let's go to the model 4. In model 4, what is the session guys? More important question is session will become tomorrow's exam, it's definitely 100%, okay. After that, explain the file folders can be copied, show the shuttle model, this also into questions more important. After the develop the program functions named the exception take it to parameter, this are more important question guys. If you read this 3 questions, 4 questions, I can definitely tell you tomorrow's 20 out of 20 marks you can get from this model 4, okay. Illustrate logging levels of this also more important question guys. After that, let's go into the model 5. What is the classes? What mean by classes and after that, define classes in how to class and how to member of accessory, this also more important question guys. In model 5, after that, first question, explain about classes and objects, these are some more important question guys. In these 2 questions, you can get 1 question pakka guys, you don't need to worry, okay. Define the purification, pure functions, purification, I am telling sorry, pure functions, illustrate with the example of this is the more important. After that, explain about pure function and modifier, these are some more important question guys. In these 4 questions, you can get 2 questions, I am definitely going to tell 14 marks you can get in these 4 questions. After that, briefly explain the concept of prototyping and planning, explain clearly, inside and these are some more important question guys. If you read from all models starting 4 questions, I can definitely tell you each model 14 marks carries, okay guys. That's it for video, till now just subscribe, if you want answer just comment, that's it guys for video.